Some of you were requesting a video on onboarding checklist and what are the different documents which are required during the onboarding process. So here I am with another video on the same topic. And if you would like to know what are the different documents required, so I'll just suggest you to keep watching the video till the end. Hello everyone, my name is Anamika and welcome back to another video on BYJUS Academic Specialist. So without further ado, let's just start with different documents which are required. So first I'm going to be discussing about the educational certificates. Okay, so the first one, the first education certificate which you require is 10th class mark sheet or certificate. Okay, second is 12th class mark sheet or certificate. Third is going to be your UG semester wise mark sheet. Okay, fourth, UG degree certificate. Okay, then fifth is going to be PG semester wise certificates, and sixth is going to be PG certificate. Now this PG certificate is not mandatory. Okay, you have to give these certificates only if you're post graduated. Okay, but the UG certificate is mandatory because I know some of you were commenting in the comments below in some of my videos asking what is the minimum requirement, or I mean the minimum qualification, and some of you were asking that I've done diploma in this or that. So here I would like to tell you that a UG certificate, a graduation at least, is necessary for applying for this position. Okay, so you must be at least graduated. Okay, now this was all about it. Then there's one more educational certificate here which you can upload. It is any other qualification, that is diploma or short course. Now this is not mandatory. If you have done any short course or some diploma in any of the stream, okay, so you can apply that, but this is not mandatory. The only one thing which is very mandatory, like in the educational certificates, are your 10th 12th mark sheets and your UG semester wise mark sheets and UG degree. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Now let's talk about the ID proofs which you need to upload there. So it could be either election ID card, okay, it could be the driving license or passport or others. Okay, now other documents like other ID proofs which are required are PAN card and Aadhaar card. So PAN card, Aadhaar card and any other ID proof like passport or election ID or driving license, all of these are mandatory. Okay, you have to like surely upload all of these. Now let's talk about experience proof. Okay, experience proof, but this one is only for candidates who are experienced and not for freshers. So if you're experienced, you will have to attach the experience certificate, then you will have to attach the relieving letter and the last 3 months salary slips, okay, or salary certificate or bank statement. Correct? Now another documents which we have are dependent documents. Now these are also not mandatory. I mean, it is mandatory for people who are married. Okay, so you have to attach a marriage certificate. Okay, then if you have children, so you'll have to attach birth certificate for children. Okay, so this is mandatory for only those who are married or those who have children. Okay. Yes. Now another certificate which you require, another document, are bank's documents. So for verifying your bank account and everything, you can either upload a photocopy of cancelled check or bank statement or passbook. Okay, now you have to upload any one of these. Okay, not all of them. You could either upload the photocopy of cancelled check, a bank statement or a passbook. Okay, any of these which you feel comfortable sharing or which is available with you. Now the last document that I would like which is mentioned here is employee background verification form, which is also known as verifax. Now don't panic, don't worry. Okay, this is something which they will send you. Okay, they are going to send you like a document, okay, in which you have to do digital signatures. Okay, you have to digitally sign it, and then like after downloading it, you will have to submit the signed verifax. Okay, so don't worry, like by hearing the name verifax, what is this, what is that? So they are going to send you through mail. You will have to digitally sign it, and then you can mail it back to the HR or any person who contacts you from BYJUS. Okay, so this was all about the important documents which are required, okay, for your verification. And I will be also like sharing a list of these documents in the description or the comment below. Okay, so you can check it out for more clarification. And I'm planning to make a video on how to perform well perform good in training, because I'm almost done with my training, okay, subjective training. So I was just wondering to make a video on how to perform well in trainings, for chemistry subject, for bio subject, and for physics as well. So if you would like to see that, you can comment down below and let me know that yes, you're interested in seeing such a video. So I will record it as soon as possible. And also, like, some of you were asking, how can I apply for this position? Like, are they still hiring? So yes, they're still hiring, and I will, request you to visit the description box, because there I will be posting the link which will take you directly to their, website, where you can directly apply for the position, both for science tutor and for maths tutor, okay? And they're hiring for both as of now, like full-time employees and part-time employees for both science and maths as well. Also, like, I am seeing a lot of repetitive comments on my videos, so I would request you all to please go through the previous videos, because I have covered most of your doubts and queries have been covered in the previous videos which I have made, including the uploads as well as the YouTube shorts. So I would just request you to just go through that. Also, you can visit my description link. There also I have posted the direct link of the videos on different topics, so you can do that. And that's it for today, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.